All right, in this video, we are unboxing the Cuisinart Caskata Octopus Pot, which I'm hoping is gonna be big enough for not only cooking like corn on the cob and soups, but also cooking lobster, maybe? Let's see. All right. Ah, look how fun. I love when the packaging is as cool as the item. All right. All right, so this is the lid. It's really pretty. And then all of the instruction manuals and the use and care guide and information on the product. All right. So pretty. I think this is gonna fit a lot of stuff. Oh, look how pretty. Yeah, there's the bottom. All right, there's what it looks like. It's pretty big. It's gonna be awesome. There it is on the stove top. Okay, so this is the Cuisinart Caskata 16 quart stock pot. And it is awesome. I am completely obsessed with it. You can wash it with a mild dish soap and warm water. Doesn't appear as though it is dishwasher friendly, but it's a really good size. So I think it's gonna be able to do all kinds of stuff. It is enamel on steel, so that's the color that you're seeing there, and it's got this octopus pattern that connects up to the lid. It's made by Cuisinart.